Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to change attendance view in EverWebinar. So before we dive into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. So here's a simple step-by-step guide to change the attendance view in EverWebinar. So the first thing to do is make sure you log into your webinar account, which is very important. Then step 2, go to your webinar dashboard. Then step 3, you have to select the webinar you want to edit. Then step 4, from the left hand menu, click webinar room. Then step 5, choose attendee display settings. Sometimes it shows as live statistics or attendee view, depends on the version you're using. Then select how you want the attendees to display. For example, for attendees count, stimulated numbers, or hide the attendees count. So after that, on the step 7, you can also adjust any extra options like display alongside the attendance, and click save, or you can apply the save changes option, and then your webinar will now show the updated attendees view to participate. And that's how you can easily change the attendees view in EverWebinar. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.